In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily add dependents using the Turbotax online software for the 2024 tax year, focusing specifically on filings for 2023. Whether you're new to TurboTax or just need a refresher, this guide will take you step by step through the process. Let's make tax season a little less daunting together. First, head over to the official TurboTax website. You can do this by typing TurboTax into your preferred search engine, or simply go directly to the TurboTax site. Once the homepage loads, you'll see options to sign in, or start for free if you haven't already created an account. For those with an account, click on the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials and securely log into your account. Take your time here, it's important to input your details accurately to protect your sensitive information. Once you've signed in, you'll land on the TurboTax homepage. It's like the central hub for all your tax related activities. Over on this page, locate the menu at the top or side of the screen depending on the device you're using. You'll want to find and click on the My Info section. This area holds all your personal information relevant for filing taxes, and it's where you'll begin the process of adding dependents. Now, within My Info, look for an option that says Add a Dependent. It may sometimes be underlined or highlighted to draw your attention. Click on it to start entering the details of your dependent. A bit of advice here: before you start, have all necessary information at hand, such as your dependent's social security number and any relevant personal details like their date of birth, to make the process smoother. Next, choose the My Child option. This is crucial as it specifies the relationship of your dependent to you, ensuring accurate data is used for tax calculations. The system is designed to guide you through a series of prompts. Just follow along, answering each question based on your dependent's details. Once you've filled in all the required fields, look for the Continue button. Clicking this will save your inputs and move you forward in the process. Remember, it's always a good idea to review your entries for accuracy before proceeding, as incorrect information can lead to complications with your return. And that's it, you have successfully added a dependent to your TurboTax profile. This not only helps maximize potential credits and deductions, but also ensures that all your tax information is up to date and correctly filed. Keep in mind, efficient and accurate tax filing not only eases the stress of tax season, but also ensures you're compliant with tax regulations. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made filing your taxes just a little bit easier. Keep an eye out for more tips and guides, and happy filing.